Meaning of illuminating.
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 Illuminating. The term illuminating generally refers to something that sheds light on a particular subject or enhances clarity and understanding. It can also mean revealing new insights or providing a fresh perspective on a topic. When something is considered illuminating, it has the potential to lead to a greater sense of awareness or knowledge about a particular subject. This can be achieved through a variety of means, such as reading a thought-provoking book or attending an enlightening lecture. Ultimately, the goal of an illuminating experience is to broaden one's horizons and deepen one's understanding of the world around us.